said we must go, but we are not going anywhere. We are Africa. We are not going anywhere. Yeah. We are not going. We are not going. Yes. We are here. We are here.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Asihambi, we are not going anywhere. Abantwana bakamalema shem. So guys, this clip you are watching right now, it's where Labour Desk, MKP Labour Desk went to check us to remove all these guys about ride a scooter for delivery and they replace them with South Africans. So after replacing them, few days later, those employers and Amapoisa and the policemen decided to abuse these South Africans who were working there, who were placed in to replace illegal foreigners who were working there. So this is what is happening right now. These guys are complaining that police are beating them up, chasing them away from there, even employers.
Sisayitrusti-ke manje makhomanda siqhubeka nomsebenzi la sigcine khona qhubeka nawo asihlali sinasikhathi sokuganga la abanjani abasebenza ngathi babona indaba esiyikhipha izolo khona abasebenzayo hayibo yonke osebenzayo manje kwalisi sisayitrusti-ke manje simthandi ngathi azinye intolo ezingasebenzi khona intolo ezisebenzayo senze ilima asiphakathi manje siphakathi etrust bafuthu sifinde khona nje asibi njengokuthi sishilo nezolo asibi ngona indaba siyende izolo khona abasebenzayo namhlanje futhi baphikisana nalento esiyifakile lapha laba abasebenzayo hayi asibi siyabacela futhi namhlanje ukuthi balokhe athi onephasela elibuyisele emuva control ukuthi remove it simple.
Phakathi sinenkinga lana siyashawa asazi sishawelani besihamba sikhambeni ke nisibone eThekwini besibhizi izithuthi checkers 66 manje amafonu amaphoyisa bayashaya manje ngaphandle kwesizathu bayasidinga nje bayashaya sizibisho baboshiwa abawu2 abanye abayalwa la abalwa nathi
ukuthi wonke ama-restaurant uma uthi uyabheka khona la agcwele bonke bokuhambi khona abasebenza khona ema-restaurant osisi bethu nobhuti bethu abakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi. Ebalulekile-ke umsakazi engiphathe kambi mina ngoba hhayi ngoba nakho ngigqugquzela ukuthi abantu bangazwani behle elizweni, kumele abantu bazwane behle elizweni. Kodwa sesijwayele kakhulu ukukhuluma ngokuthi laba bahleli ngongekho emthethweni eSouth Africa nayo inkinga esiba nayo kusamaphoyisa. Mayifika lo muntu afika aplayele ukuthi ucela athi anikezwe imvumo ukuhlala eSouth Africa ngoba ubaleke ezweni lakhe elithile, ubalekile into ethile, ufuna ukubulawa. Ngekhathi applyile uapplyela ku Home Affairs abese yali bese yafika amaphoyisa nomkhwanazi bamfuna.
So this is it guys, they've taken over everything. As you can see, checkers delivery were removed, illegal immigrants were removed by MKP Labour Desk to replace them with South Africans. As you can hear, this guy ukhuluma isiZulu, abanga understand isiZulu, telling Labour Desk ukuthi amaphoyisa, police and employers are abusing them, beating them up. They don't want them there because they are South Africans. Tomorrow, people will call them lazy, that they don't want to work. These guys, they've been working there, but because of the influx of illegal foreigners, they are not wanted now. even though EMKP was there to fight for them. After a few days, our employers are abusing them. Why? Because of cheap labor. On the streets, as you can see on the next clip, everywhere, all over the city, at Joburg, at Durban, at Cape Town, our small towns, these people are dominating everywhere. They are selling, taking spaza shops, selling clothes, selling expired food, selling everything. No space for South Africans. Even if you are stubborn as a South African, you say, I will do my business, whether they like it or not. What they will do is to ban your businesses, to ban your shop. And we are expected to fold our heads and accept our fate and say, these are our brothers and sisters. That is what our government is telling us. That is what the whole world is telling us, is advising us to do, to keep quiet. Why I'm saying that? Because the name they are using to label us, this xenophobic thing, it shows they want us to fold our hands and move on. I don't know how. How can you move on with on an empty stomach? How can you move on? You have kids to take care of. You have your own needs. You have everything that a human being needs. All this, even our president told us, we don't have to accuse abantu from outside. They are taking our jobs. Why are we not working? Why are these guys now we are watching on this video? Why are they being abused for working? Why are they being harassed by our employers and police for working? There's nothing for us as South Africans. No one is sympathizing with us. Our leaders are sympathizing with other people. For the first time, we see our president. It's not like it's the first time. Every time he is sympathizing, he will sympathize with people who are not from here. No day where we saw President Wetu coming out to say, I feel for South Africans, I sympathize with South Africans, even when we lost our kids in the hands of, allegedly, of Amaspaza shops from outside. Our president, even the day he came to address the nation to say foreigners must register their tax shops, he did not even mention the laws. He did not sympathize, or maybe at least to send the condolences to those parents of those kids. He just came out and said, foreigners must register their tax shops. Everyone must register his or her own tax shop. That is it. Did they register? No. Are they still running the same tax shops that are selling counterfeit and expired food, poisonous food? Yes. All of them, including those ones, those specific tax shops that are suspected that they are the ones that unalived those kids, are running freely as we speak. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section, like, share the video, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.